Hi, welcome to 3D Wonders. We're bringing you the best tips and tools in 3D scanners and 3D software. In this video, I'll be demonstrating how to reverse engineer a pipe on a roll bar using Quicksurface reverse engineering software. The scan data we'll be working with was captured using the Freescan Combo 3D scanner. Let's dive right into the process. First, we'll start by selecting the pipe area we want to model using the Edit Scan command. Make sure to avoid selecting any other pipe sections. This will come in handy when we're creating multiple sections later. Once the right areas are selected, save them with the Save Section Status option, and don't forget to give the section a name. This feature makes it easy to pull up the selected section anytime, without having to reselect it. Just right-click on the feature tree and hit Apply. Next, use the Multiple Section command. You'll notice that the sections will follow the default planar setting in Quicksurface. But to get more accurate results, we need to create a guide curve that matches the shape of the pipe. Go to 3D Sketch and create a guide curve that fits the pipe's contour. Once you're done, click OK. Now go back to the Multiple Section command and turn on the Curve Guided option. Select the guide curve you just created, and the section direction will now follow the pipe's shape. You can also adjust the spacing between the section planes. Turn on the Circle tool to automatically sketch circles on each section plane, and once that's done, hit Create. Finally, use the Loft command. Select each sketch one by one in sequence until the pipe is formed. This method ensures the resulting pipe fits the scanned shape, with improved deviation values to match. For a more parametric approach, we can try a different method. Let's start by changing the guide curve to get varied results. In this case, I'm assuming the pipe consists of both straight and bent sections. First, let's create straight curves to represent the pipe's straight sections. For the bending areas, we'll use the Blend Curve tool. With this command, the tool connects the straight lines and automatically creates smooth tangency at each junction. You can easily adjust these connections with the provided toggle to refine the curve. Now, let's return to the Multiple Section command and select one of the guide curves. I'll begin with the straight pipe. We only need two sections to form this part, the base and the end. Adjust the spacing between the sections accordingly, and then click Create. Repeat this process for the other sections. If Quicksurface is the solution you've been looking for, head over to 3dwonders.shop to make your purchase, or start with our 30-day free trial. We'll be there to provide any support you need. In the bending areas, adjust the section spacing as needed to closely match the original part's shape. Once that's set, use the Loft command to create the straight pipe model. To ensure the pipes intersect correctly later, extend the formed pipe using the Extend command. Keep in mind that this command only works with surface models, not solid bodies. Next, we'll close the hole at the end of the pipe with the Fill Surface command. Create a plane that will cut the end of the other pipe section. Modify the sketch by drawing a circle with a diameter larger than the pipe, and use fill surface again to create a plane on the circle. Trim the pipe using this cutting plane, and repeat the process to trim the other pipe end. If necessary, you can adjust by editing the circle size for each section. Make sure all the circles are the same size to create a uniform straight pipe. For bent pipes, tweak the circle diameter to enhance the 3D model's accuracy. Once the pipes are formed, combine them. Next, we'll create a profile at the pipe's end. Start by extracting a plane, then create a 2D sketch to define the profile's shape. Extrude the sketch and trim the pipe using this plane. Combine the entire model. And don't forget to add a radius to the corners. These are some methods you can apply for reverse engineering a pipe using Quicksurface reverse engineering software. We hope this tutorial helps streamline your workflow and enhances precision in your reverse engineering projects. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or want to see how these tools can help with your projects, don't hesitate to reach out to us at hello@3dwonders.shop or visit our website at 3dwonders.shop. We're always happy to chat and find the best solution for your 3D scanning needs. See you on the next video.